college. It's a milestone in your continuous journey towards academic and career success. As you have journeyed the years of education in this institution, graduates, I do hope you have realized and will continue to realize the importance of education. Let me name a few. It is through education that thriving students are equipped with lifelong skills that they must flourish. It is through education where students struggle and excel far beyond expectations. It is through education where we encounter excellent teachers and administrators who are committed to providing quality education designed to meet the needs of their students. My dear graduates, parents, it is through education when parents are given the utmost respect by involving them in key decisions for their children. And it is through education where each and every student cultivates the values of humility and greatness, perseverance against disappointment, and intelligence beyond challenges. This is how important education is. And that is why this evening I salute each and every one of you here who have been steadfast believers of education. Tonight, graduates, as you leave the confines of Marikina Polytechnic College, our school, you must renew your commitment to a continuous education. The ladder to success and endless opportunities await each and every one of you here. And it is through your unwavering dedication to the pursuit of knowledge will you achieve all that there is lies ahead. Tandaan natin lahat ito ngayong gabi sa mga mag-aaral na nagsipagtapos. Ang inyong kagalingan at edukasyon ang magiging sandigan ng bawat isa sa inyo para umunlad. Muli, binabati ko kayong lahat ng mga nagsipagtapos, lahat kayong naririto, lahat tayong naririto sa Marikina Polytechnic College ay katangi-tangi. Muli, magandang gabi, mabuhay tayong lahat, mabuhay ang Polytechnic College, mabuhay ang lahat ng graduates.